Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change language Google Chrome 2025. Open Google Chrome, click on the menu and select Settings. You will go to the Languages section. Click on the Add Languages button. Select the new language, in this case it will be Spanish. Click on Add. Now click on the context menu of the new language and choose the option, Display Chrome in this language. You will need to click on Relaunch so that you can see Chrome in this new language. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.